So a lot of homeowners ask, hey, like, what don't I know? Or like, what questions should I ask? And so obviously I think it's important to know like how many projects someone's done. I don't care how long they're in business. If you've done 50 kitchen remodels in 5 years, you might be more qualified than someone who's been doing this for 20 years. So, okay, how familiar are you with working with this project? I live in a 1950 Prairie Village, Cape Cod. How many of these have you worked on? Okay, like if you worked on 20, 30, 40 old homes require, how many old homes have you worked on? What's your experience with doing this stuff? How many hardy jobs have you done? How many crews you use? Who are they? Are your crews licensed and insured? Are you licensed and insured? For how much? Can you show it to me? Check their reviews, check their Google reviews. Ask them to itemize everything. Don't allow them to just say $30,000, $40,000. Like what am I actually getting? Like make it detailed. How often will I see you? So who's gonna manage my job? So hey, I love you, Mr. Sales Rep. Will you be there the first day, the second day, the third day, the last day? No. Okay, well, who is that person? Like, when do I meet him? What's that look like? Ask people about the communication flow. I'd ask people, what happens when we find issues? So what do you charge for wood rot? What do you charge for new studs? What do you charge for, know that in advance. That way you don't go into it and they're like, oh, I need, but you should have, you should have worked with me on this. A contractor should know for the most part what could happen. And they might not always know worst case, but they should have in their proposal some things that if it comes up, here's what's gonna cost you.